create sketch and choose the axis plane. Now I will create these practical ones, and to create plane you can click this icon line, or you can tap G and the next L. So you can tap G, L to use the line tools, and I will create lines with length 20 and for angle 45 degree. So you can click in this origin point. For length you can type 20, press tab button to move into the angle, and you can type 45 degree. Press enter to apply. We create again line in here with length 25. Click from this point here, 25 with angle 0, and create again the line object with length 15. Okay, move to the top, angle 90 degree. You can tap 15, press tab button and 90 degree. Click again from this point with length 15 and angle 0. Click from this point to the bottom with length 15 and angle minus 90 degree. Press enter again. And the next, create lines with length 20 for angle minus 135 degree. Press enter again. The next, you can connect from this point into here. Create sketch and choose axis plane. Now we create line. I will start from the origin point, move into here, click again to this point, next line, and move to the bottom, move to the right, and to bottom again. The next, you can connect between these 2 points. Now go to dimension. You can click at this drop-down menu and you can choose the dimension, or you can press D on keyboard. So you can press D to use dimension. Select the line object. Then we can set the dimension into 20. Next, in this line, set 25. Don't forget to set the angles. You can click this line also with this line object. You can set for the angle 120 degree. This angle. The next, with length 30 millimeter, so you can click at this line and set into 30. And for this line, we set 23 for length. And the next is line object into 20 millimeter. So that's it, how to use the dimension.